Hello there, modern man. Have you ever felt embarrassed, frustrated, or even ashamed because of your ED? If so, I want you to know you are not alone. I have spoken to thousands of men who feel exactly the same way as you are. And as a medical doctor who specializes in men's sexual health, I've seen firsthand how deeply ED can impact your confidence, your relationship, and your overall happiness. So if you're watching this, you might be thinking, maybe it's in my head, or that isn't this just what happened when I get older? Or maybe you're even thinking, well, maybe I'll try this pill. Hoping it's a quick fix, only to be disappointed by side effects or lack of real result. I want you to know the thoughts and experiences are incredibly common. ED is a private struggle, but you are not broken and you are definitely not alone. This isn't something I see in my patient. My own husband developed ED after heart disease and taking 5 different heart medication. I saw the toll it took on him and on us as a couple and on us as a family. Watching someone you love go through that pain was heartbreaking. I knew there had to be a better answer than just another prescription. And with my background in functional medicine, holistic medicine, acupuncture, stem cells, and overall approach and treating the root cause of the problem, I started digging in deeper and I realized that ED is almost never just in your head. It's often a signal that something deeper is happening in your body, like blood flow issues, hormone change, maybe side effects of medication, maybe stress, maybe sleep, and maybe you're not exercising enough, maybe it's your diet. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So, check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So, over the years, I've helped more than 7,000 men restore sexual function, not by masking the problem, but by treating the real underlying causes. So that's why I created the Get Heart system. It's a program built on science, compassion, and real result. And I wanted to offer men what I gave my husband, a way to address ED at the root cause. Naturally, no pill, no risky surgery. This system combined the best innovative medical treatment and lifestyle medicine to help men reclaim their confidence and relationship naturally. No pill, no surgery. So if you're tired of feeling alone, frustrated, please know there is hope. You don't have to accept ED as your new normal. If you want to learn more about real solutions that work, no shiny snake oil or anything, check out the link down below. See how I can help you get out of ED to feel confident again and in control again. If this message speaks to you, subscribe for more honest expert advice on men's health and natural solution. Remember, you're not alone and there's a path forward. Check the link below on how I can help you towards confidence and in control again. See you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step by step path to sexual confidence, and restoration. No more suffering in silence, no more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.